Welcome back. If you are searching for the best brake rotors, you are in the right place. Today we are reviewing 5 elite brake kits guaranteed to deliver smooth, quiet, and reliable stops. Product number 1, Acinoparts Brake Rotors Ceramic Brake Pads. It offers an exceptional upgrade for everyday commuters and performance enthusiasts alike. Engineered with precision, this kit features top-tier drilled and slotted technology that significantly enhances heat dissipation. This means your brakes stay cooler under pressure, drastically reducing brake fade during heavy use. What truly sets Acinoparts apart is their high-quality ceramic brake pad formula. Designed for a quieter and cleaner ride, these pads produce minimal dust, keeping your wheels looking pristine while ensuring smooth, noiseless stopping power. The combination of these advanced rotors and ceramic pads provide reliable, environmentally friendly performance. Built to prevent overheating and maximize durability, this setup ensures consistent safety on the road. If you want dependable braking power tailored for superior control, this Acinoparts kit delivers remarkable value and lasting excellence.
Product number 2, Detroit Axle Brake Kit for Ford F-150. When hauling heavy loads or navigating tough terrain in your Ford truck, dependable stopping power is absolutely essential. The Detroit Axle Brake Kit for Ford F-150 delivers incredibly rugged performance tailored specifically for demanding conditions. This comprehensive package includes precisely engineered, drilled and slotted disc brake rotors, which are meticulously tested for impact, wear, and fatigue. The specialized rotor design aggressively channels away gas and debris, keeping your braking surfaces perfectly clean and drastically lowering operating temperatures. Paired with these robust rotors are high-performance ceramic brake pads supplied with all necessary installation hardware. These premium pads provide superior friction and stopping distance while minimizing annoying squeals and excessive brake dust. Detroit Axle has built this kit to exceed original equipment specifications, ensuring an exact fit and finish. For truck owners seeking uncompromising durability, immense value, and heavy-duty reliability, this system guarantees a confident, safe driving experience every single time.
Product number 3, Acinoparts Front and Rear Brake Kit. For drivers who want a complete all-around braking overhaul, the Acinoparts Front and Rear Brake Kit provides an unmatched full vehicle solution. Upgrading all 4 corners of your car simultaneously ensures perfectly balanced braking dynamics, which is crucial for overall vehicle stability. This comprehensive set features precision-crafted drilled and slotted rotors for both the front and rear axles. By maximizing airflow and continuously expelling hazardous brake dust and gases, these rotors prevent thermal cracking and maintain an incredibly stable surface during aggressive stops. Complementing this advanced heat dissipation are Acinoparts premium ceramic brake pads, engineered to deliver smooth, quiet, and highly responsive stopping power. You will immediately notice a cleaner wheel appearance due to their low-dust ceramic formulation. With parts that perform equally to or better than original equipment standards, this complete kit offers exceptional value. It guarantees your ride remains firmly planted, secure, and ready for any driving situation. Product number 4, PowerStop Front Brake Kit for Cadillac Escalade. This exceptional auto specialty system provides an effortless bolt-on solution that flawlessly restores your SUV's original factory braking performance. At the heart of this kit are top-tier replacement rotors that ensure optimum structural integrity, keeping temperatures low during repetitive stops to prevent the dreaded pedal fade. Coupled with these heavy-duty rotors are PowerStop's renowned Evolution Plus ceramic pads, which include premium stainless steel hardware for a rattle-free installation. These pads guarantee ultra-quiet operation, ensuring your luxury driving experience is never interrupted by annoying brake squeal.
The low-dust ceramic formula also keeps those expensive alloy wheels gleaming. For luxury SUV owners demanding absolute safety without sacrificing a smooth, quiet ride, this PowerStop kit is undeniably the ultimate choice. Product number 5. ACDelco Silver Non-Coated 18A925A. If you prefer trusted OEM-level reliability, the ACDelco Silver Non-Coated Front Brake Rotor delivers magnificent stopping consistency. Manufactured by General Motors' renowned aftermarket division, this cast-iron rotor offers highly economical value without compromising essential safety. Its intelligent, application-specific vented vane configuration efficiently maximizes airflow, keeping the rotor running cool while heavily minimizing annoying vibrations. This helps maintain a perfectly stable friction surface during intense daily driving. Designed with a non-directional ground finish, this non-coated rotor minimizes thickness variation over time, effectively extending the lifespan of your brake pads. It is mill-balanced straight out of the box, ensuring completely smooth, wobble-free operation without needing additional balancing weights. For drivers seeking a straightforward, dependable factory-style replacement, this genuine ACDelco Silver product successfully merges premium metallurgy and outstanding structural strength. It guarantees robust, long-lasting performance, making it a fantastic, budget-friendly option for restoring a truly safe driving experience.
So, which should you buy? If you want budget-friendly performance, Acinoparts and ACDelco offer incredible value without sacrificing safety. For heavy-duty trucks and luxury SUVs, Detroit Axle and PowerStop justify their premium prices with unbeatable durability. Check the links below to find the perfect compatibility for your vehicle and budget. Thanks for watching.